guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the December Little Bee box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the December 2025, the very last box for 2025 has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know, this one is going to be in rotation of the little boy box. Again, this is for December, and I'm super excited to see what's inside. Let's go ahead and cut the tape. We can dive in and we can see all of the amazing products. If you don't know, this one is for little ones. It's for babies to toddlers. It's for little ones. And you get to choose the size and the gender, and then they take all of that into consideration and they build these amazing mystery boxes. So let's go ahead and see what's inside for the little boy for December. When you first open it up, you do have your thank you card. If you get this box and then you tag them on their socials, you might be featured on their site. And then you do have the card for December. It's for joyful, and you can read this. There's a note for the mom, and then there's some fun tips for mom and baby to do things together. So you do have your little tip sheet for the month. And then you have your amazing bee tissue paper. It wouldn't be the bee box if it didn't have that. I love that they do that now. And then when you open that up, here's a sneak peek to inside of the box. So this one, you always do get one free little gift that's for the mom. So it's one mystery gift. It can be anything and everything under the sun. I love that they do that. So there's one little gift in there for the mom. It's not all for the baby or the little one. So this month is right on top, and it's an exfoliating stretch cloth. It's a 2-pack, and that is the, again, free gift for the mom. It's been so many different amazing things in there, but it's just so neat that there's, you know, something in there for the mom. This is for my box anyways. And again, it's a 2-pack, and it even has like a little self-care just for you, because moms deserve softness too. And it has a little, that's cute. She actually added a little sane back here to do a little self-care. There's some tips on how to use it, and yeah, gentle reminders with love, the little bee box. So that is really cool. Some little tips and tricks on different things that are put in there from the little bee box as well. So the first thing right on top is going to be a sippy cup. We always get different types of cups, and they always go with like the milestones. So you're gonna have stuff for babies, as you know, when they're smaller, and as they grow older, they get into like big boy cups and stuff like that. So it's all age appropriate. And this is the, again, it is a spill proof blue little sippy cup right there. And then let's see here, we have, oh, it looks like we have, oh, what is these? Are these little slippers? Oh my goodness. The shoe size from a 13 to a 4, medium to large. But again, yeah, you put the little feet in there. Oh my gosh, look at how cute though. They Hot Wheels? Yes, it's little Hot Wheels slippers. Those are, oh my gosh, and there's little gripper things on the bottom. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. And then we have in here is a pair of pants. These are Nautica. These feel super nice and thick. And I bet you it's a lot colder where this little one is than here. So these little sweatpants are probably a great time of the year right now. And then there's like an actual, wait, there's more clothes in here. Hold on. Oh, they're the little dun-dun-duns. Look at how cute. They are a 3-piece boxer briefs. Oh my goodness. He has his own big boy chones. These are adorable. Oh my goodness. 2 things that I have never seen in this box yet is some chones and some slippers. Like, oh my gosh, these underwear are so cute though. Oh, he's gonna have his own little underwear. That is so cute. And then here is a shirt. Oh, this is gonna look so good. It'll look good with this. The sweatpants. Oh my gosh, that is a cute outfit. Look, vroom, 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 vroom. That is so cute. I love that car shirt too. Vroom, vroom. And then there's one item still left in here. Oh my gosh, this is like the cutest box for him, I swear. I hope she's as excited with these little chonies and the slippers as I am. I think that is just so cute. So here is the book, and it says, Mommy, Daddy, and Me. Oh, carry along, my daddy and me. So would I say mommy and daddy and me? I don't know what I said in the beginning, but that's what it says. And then you open it up and it has all of the different little like animals up here at the top. And it's like the thick pages. And I always tell you guys, I love that they put books in here, and especially like they go with how old they are. So I think that's amazing that there's little books in here. He can sit down and read it, or it can be read to him, that kind of thing. So that's awesome. So a quick recap of the December box. We have this book right here. Then we have the cutest outfit with the top and these sweatpant bottoms. And if he's a little bit shorter, I'm sure you can just roll these up, but oh my gosh, they feel super, super comfy. You have the boxer briefs, you have the slippers, a cup, and then the gift for the mom. All right, you guys. So again, that is everything for this December box. Again, they are all a mystery based on the child, the age, the season, the time of year, all of that good stuff. So this one is just so cute. I just can't get over these. Like, I didn't even know they made them this small, to be honest. Like, those are just so cute. So if you would like a little bit more information for this box, I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will get you 30% off your very first box. If you're interested, they will all be listed down below in the description box. So if you want to do month per month, that would be the gold term. You can cancel at any time. It's $51.95 per box. If you want to save some money and go to the silver plan, that's the 6-month prepaid plan. That brings your box price down to $45.95 per box, or the platinum, the 12-month prepaid plan, will bring your box price down to only $43 per box. So there's that. They also do have a one-time gift box. So if you know somebody who's having a baby shower, a birthday, a just because, whatever, you can send a one-time gift box. It's $65, and that includes free US shipping on that one. And you can have it shipped to the recipient, or you can have it shipped to you if you're going to be attending and you can bring it with you, or again, ship it straight to them. Shipping's included, so then you wouldn't have any other additional fees. But they do have the one-time gift box option. I even did that for a friend that was having their granddaughter was having a baby. So I've even purchased just the one-time box because it's an amazing box with great things inside. So there is that. You guys comment down below and let me know what would be your favorite item out of this box. I just can't with these. I did not know they made them this small. Like, that is just adorable. But definitely comment down below and let me know what you thought about this box. What would be your favorite item? Comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.